Hi guys, welcome back to Bitesize Excel. In today's short video, we're going to take a look at data types in Excel, and more specifically at stock data. Now, if you want to track stock data, and you're lucky enough to have Office 365, Excel has this cool feature in the Data tab, which is Data Types, which allows you to pull in stock data and geography data from the web. And this is really easy to use. So say we want to track some stocks and we know our tickers for our stocks, so that's the short code. We can type AAPL, that's Apple, and start typing in some other ones. I'm just going to put in some very common ones here. We've got Google, Amazon. You can obviously find these online. We'll put in Microsoft as well, and we'll try for Bitcoin. Now, as you're typing them in, depending on your setup, you may get a little button at the bottom corner here that suggests that you're doing stock data and offers to convert it for you. But if not, just highlight your tickers and click on the stocks button in the data types on the data tab. So we hit stocks. You'll see this is automatically pulled in what companies they are, except for this bottom one, which is curious because it's finding a few different options that it could be. So it's putting a little blue question mark against it and some suggestions down the side here. Let's say I want this Bitcoin one. We'll just hit select and it will pull it in. Now if we highlight our companies, we get this little list on the side. And this is the data that you can pull in. So you can see there's a 52-week high, a low, the change, currency, and a number of other options. So all you need to do to pick what you want to pull in is select your data. You can do this for a couple of different types. And you very quickly build up your stock data. Now, one thing it doesn't do is it doesn't pull in the header, so you will need to input this manually. So 52-week high and 52-week low. But this is how you can start very quickly to build up stock data and track it over time. Now, when you come back into your stock data, you may want on a different day, you may want to update your data. And you'll need to do this by hitting this refresh all button. And that will refresh all the data in your spreadsheet with up-to-date information, including any pivot tables or any other data that you might have in here. So this has been a very quick introduction to how you can import live stock data into your spreadsheet and start to build up a tracker for tracking your stocks or tracking stocks that you might be interested in. If you'd like to know a little bit more about this topic or how you might build up a more detailed spreadsheet, do leave me a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.